Hi Wildham fan, welcome back to our channel. Today, got another parcel from AliExpress. Now, I have opened it to check what it was, and we are going to be building the Louvre. They are tidgy, they are, but I love these because they don't take up quite as much room, and I'm getting my display for them is getting on point, I've got to be honest. So there are 3,377 pieces in this. Yeah. Which give you an idea of how tidgy
that's
they are.
What it is, yeah.
This is Lexi building blocks, and it's given a 4 rating out of 6 for difficulty, which is actually pretty low for one of mine. But yeah, I loved the detail in this, and I'm quite excited. I can't remember whether I got one that was light up or not. It looks like it's not. I did think I had though, so I may have to check that. But anyway guys, let's get building. It's done.
Right.
Right, so these are the leftover ones.
Yeah.
So,
It's quite a lot.
yeah, it's not bad considering there's a couple of pieces on the floor somewhere as well.
Yeah.
The stickers were supposed to go as the absolute last thing.
Yeah.
Now, this was a really nice build. However, it does raise slightly at that end.
Yeah.
And the pyramid and I have had numerous arguments because bits drop off. But it's all together now, and I am seriously in love with it.
Yeah.
So let's have a look. And say every single piece is just, it just works. Also, it's not huge, so you know, it means that I can do more of this sort of thing. You can see even the back's got the detail and everything on it. It is brilliantly designed. I might have put it together, but I did not design this. This is beautiful. But yeah. Right, so don't forget, ring the little bell. You can give us a thumbs up, you can give us a thumbs down, but you can't do one of them. And let's face it, that is too good for one of them. It's too good for a thumbs down, really, as well. I mean, it's beautiful. I'm so pleased with it. And as always, my lovelies, be different. A very merry on hoo-hoo. And